Hello, I'm Sophie from the Biota Nutri technical team. In this video, we're going to look at the way organic fertilizers dissolve in comparison to traditional chemical fertilizers. Our focus will be on the two main components, nitrogen and acids. First, we'll look at dissolving organic nitrogen, and then we'll take a look at organic acids. To achieve the right concentration of feeding solution for the plant, fertilizers are usually mixed with fresh water and drain water in the stock tanks. After this mixing of the feeding solution, it can go straight into the greenhouse. The main issue with commercially available mixing units is that they are designed for use with chemical fertilizers which dissolve quickly, unlike organic nitrogen, which needs more time to dissolve. Let's look at this simple diagram example. If we mix chemical and organic fertilizer side by side, using the same equipment running at the same speed, the chemical side will be fully dissolved, where the organic nitrogen needs more time to dissolve completely. This is because the chemical mix rate is too fast for organic fertilizers. To prevent this, we advise extra mixing. If your mixing time or speed is not adjustable, there are a number of steps that you can take to achieve the correct results. First, we advise growers to make their stock tank solution at 50% the concentration level compared with chemical fertilizer. Then set the dose to double the rate used previously with chemical fertilizers. This effectively reduces the amount of organic fertilizer that needs to be dissolved, and by doubling the dose, you achieve the correct concentration of feeding solution. You can also achieve better mixing by adding extra filter housings in line. Filter housings such as the one shown are easily available at most suppliers. The filter housing is used by itself with the filter element removed. This way it functions as a mixer and swirls the fertilizer solution to provide added mixing capability. Multiple empty filter housings can be stacked together as seen here until proper mixing is achieved. This is a fairly low-cost solution to add extra mixing capability if your system is non-adjustable. Always visually check that the solution in the tanks is 100% dissolved. If not, adjust your process to further increase the dissolving time before it goes to the greenhouse. Now let's look at organic acids. Chemical acids react directly with the fertilizer solution, so the pH levels can adjust very quickly. Organic acids, however, react more slowly. Most of the times this is a result of the pH sensors being too close to each other, so the second measurement is read before the reaction is completed. Extra mixing helps to increase the accuracy, but if you move the second pH sensor further away in the line, it will give much more accurate results. We'd also like to point out that in organic farming, maintaining the correct pH is very important. The pH matters because it directly affects whether or not a plant can use nutrients. If the pH of your fertilizer solution is off, no matter what quality or how many additives you use, the plant will not be able to use them. This chart shows the relative availability of different nutritional elements as pH changes. Incorrect levels or rapid changes in pH can cause disastrous results. Monitoring the pH closely and often will give you better results when growing with organic fertilizers. So in conclusion, we've looked at how to make sure your feeding solution has enough mixing time and the importance of pH to ensure success when growing with organic fertilizer. I'm Sophie from Biota Nutri, saying goodbye until next time. Feel free to check out our other videos on successfully growing organic with Biota fertilizer, and please like and subscribe to see even more content on our social media channels. Thank you.